Hi, thank you for considering this coleslaw team. We're called the coleslaw team because code is law, and we're actually legal engineers and building out law tech, but we're doing it from an entertainment background. That's our experience before going into Web3, is with musicians and all that. And so we do it with fun, but this 7827 standard bring about is as fundamental of law tech as Charles Goldfarb's HTML or Nick Szabo's smart contracts, in my opinion. So what's the Coleslaw project at ETHGlobal New York 2025? It is the flow kill switch using ERC 7827, globally auditable, and it's the remote control using Base's X402. We're really excited about being able to use Base's X402 because we've been waiting for quite a while for a provider to finally be able to figure out a solution. And we think Base has done it because of stablecoins was the last missing piece. And by finally having 402, which is W3C envisioned a long time ago, available, it's very easy to remote control a Raspberry Pi, as we'll show, and monetize that. So the Cheerbot platform that this project has been built on is the chassis is being printed right here. It'll be ready in time for the presentation. And then in my hands is the robotics that'll go in it. It's a Raspberry Pi and an LED display. So the basic robotics that a team can do in a weekend to then present phygital projects at hacks like ETHGlobal, and again on the robotic side as well. So I'm now going to go into the website that the Cheerbot is hosting, and you can see how we can remote control it. So here I am. I'm in the website. As you can see, that 7827 kill switch has not been implemented by admin, so that's good. Let's see if we can say hello world though. Oh, we can't because we need to install the X402 remote control. We need to pay to have that privilege. Okay, we've now turned the X402 on. So let's see if we can send a message. Okay, and here's the message. And let's see if it shows up. Yes, it does. Yeah, all right. So that's the basics.